fractions. Can anyone tell me what a fraction is? Chelsea?
A fraction is any whole number or a number with equal parts.
Correct. Alright, now I'm going to put some fractions up on the board. You're going to tell me what these are equal to, or which one is greater. Travis,
The one on the left.
1/2.
Yes.
No, that's wrong. Adam?
I don't know.
Well, think about it a little bit. Just, which one do you think is greater? 1/2? So you have 1 out of 2 or 3 out of 4. Which one do you think is better?
I don't know. That line's messing me up.
That line?
The line in between the 1 and the 2.
Well, you see, that's what divides them.
I don't know. The one on the right?
Yeah.
No. The one on the left.
No, that's wrong. It's wrong. Chelsea, can you tell us?
Let's put them in the decimals.
Decimals.
Yeah.
Decimals, okay. Hey, Chelsea, could you tell us what this decimal is?
0.50.
Correct.
I got the next one.
Okay.
0.34.
0.34, no, that is wrong. Adam, you want to give us a hand here? I mean, like up here.
3.4?
3.4, no. Chelsea, you want to...
0.75.
I hate fractions.
Fractions are complicated, but look, now, which one's greater?
The one on the right?
The one on the right, correct, Adam. This one is greater. That's how you can tell. You can transform into fractions or decimals to figure out which one's greater. Or you can just know that 3 out of 4 is better than 1 out of 2. But fractions are hard to come by. That's why sometimes when you put them in context, they're much easier to grasp. Class down here today so that we can get a better grasp for fractions. Okay, we're going to shoot some basketball and we're going to see if you guys can relate this to fractions. Travis, you're first. I hate fractions.
What do you do?
Just shoot. You shoot.
shoot? Mr. Price is shooting. Teacher? No way you're good. Teacher Price. Oh, you couldn't make it. Come on, teacher. Too low. Teachers are too old.
We went down the court shot. Travis went 3 out of 6. Chris made 2 out of 4. Adam made 3 out of 5. And I made 0 out of 3. He's so bad. So, just like the fractions we learned earlier, we couldn't tell which ones was greater. But, so we go down the court, just like fractions, tell me which one is the greatest here.
Well, not you.
Oh, you think that's funny? I'll send you principal next time I'm talking like that. So can anyone tell me which one's
Adams.
Excuse me?
Adams.
Adam's is right. Now why do you say that?
Because he made 3 out of 5, and I only made 3 out of 6, and Chris only made 2 out of 4, and you made him.
You're right. You're right. So, since we took these fractions that we had problems with earlier, and took it to the court, and put it in a context that everyone understood, we realized that 3/5 is greater than the rest.
I love fractions.
So much
We
easier.
learned about fractions in class, and the students had problems at first recognizing whether 1/2 was greater than 3/4. So by taking them to the court and putting it into context with shooting, like we did, and we made everyone shoot a different amount but recorded the makes, they recognized that what was higher than the other. And by doing this, they're higher learning. As smaller children, you can't, in the classroom context, you don't really recognize things as well. But once you put it into context on a basketball court or something that they recognize and realize, they retain the information much better than they would any other time. That's how, when we brought them back up and showed them the shooting percentages, as you call them, Travis recognized it faster than he did the first time when he was wrong, about 3/4 and 1/2. But he was right on this one when it came down to the shooting percentages of